Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure prerequisites are in place. Install Visual Studio with the workloads you need and sign INSO settings sync. Once done, create a new project and choose the correct template and target framework. This determines build system and dependencies. Make sure to set a clear solution name and folder so files stay organized. You should also enable Git during setup if you want version control. This saves time and prevents manual repository initialization later. You now build features and configure the project. Add files, set project dependencies, and install new Git packages for shared libraries. Once configured, tailor debug/release configurations and edit launch profiles so debugging mimics production. While coding, rely on IntelliSense and quick actions to refactor safely. When errors appear, set breakpoints and step through with step/into. Observe variables in watch and immediate window to inspect state. Make small commits frequently. You finish by producing a release build and running unit tests and code analysis to catch regressions. After successful tests, publish using your chosen target, Azure, IIS, or a self-contained deployment, and verify runtime configuration and connection strings. Make sure to test the deployed app end-to-end. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting. Clear new Git cache, delete bin and obj, restore packages, and rebuild. These steps resolve most dependency and stale build issues quickly, so you can redeploy with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.